Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial on how to search EBSCO's Exploring Race in Society. This database is very useful to students of psychology, behavioral health, and psychology who are interested in exploring topics related to race, ethnicity, diversity, and inclusion. And here you can see the variety of topics that Exploring Race in Society includes. So now let's look at how to access Exploring Race in Society. So the first thing you want to do is start off at the Charles H. Trout Library website. I'll put the web address in the description box below. Next, locate the A to Z database list. And then from there, locate Exploring Race in Society under E in the alphabetized list. Now, on-campus users will be logged in automatically once you click on the link, but off-campus users will require a username and password, and I'll link to a 60-second video on how to find those passwords to our databases. So this is the Exploring Race in Society search page. And at the top of the page, we have our search box where you can enter the topic of your choice. There is a date filter where you can let the database know if you would like to limit your search results to the last 10 years, 5 years, or 12 months. And we'll come back and look at this search feature more in a moment. But first I want to point out the Explore a Topic feature of this database, which is great if you're trying to decide on a topic. You can explore through these suggested topics, and you can drill down until you prompt the database to actually run a search for the term that you selected, and so you'll get a list of search results. To search the database, type your search into the search box at the top of the page and click the spyglass, and your page will refresh with your new results. You can see that we found 11 results, and these results are sorted by relevance, but you can sort them also by date, newest and oldest, which will refresh your results and order them by the most recent articles. The database identifies the source type above each result in the list, and you can use the filters under your search box to sort out just those source types that you would like to see. For example, we can see that there are books, magazines, and journal articles in this list of results, and let's say I only want to see the magazines. I can select magazines and click Apply, and my result list will refresh and show me just the periodicals that are magazines in my search results. This is a useful feature if, for example, your instructor has asked you to find an article on your topic. Exploring Race in Society is also a full text database. This means that you can access the full text of each source, whether it's a book, an article, or report, within the database. And you can do that by just clicking on these Access Now buttons at the bottom of each result in the list, and you'll be taken to the full text. Clicking on the title of a record will give you access to the citation generator, as well as more bibliographic information. Look for the icon that looks like a quotation mark on the top right of the page. Select that icon, and this box will pop up. From here, you can select the citation style that you're using, and it will generate a citation in the format of that style. Now, I caution that these are created by computers, so sometimes they have errors. You should check these against our citation guide, which I'll link in the description. And now you're ready to copy this citation to the clipboard and paste it into your document. And finally, I'd like to point out some of the features under the My Dashboard section of the page. In here, you have access to your search history, so if you wanted to go back through your search history, you could do that. It is saved while you have the browser open. Once you close the browser, it goes away. And then there are research tools under this section where you have access to a concept map and you can start a new search if you want to start fresh. So that's it for this tutorial on Exploring Race in Society by EBSCOhost. If you have any questions, please contact the Charles H. Trout Library. I'll put our website in the description, and I hope you found this tutorial useful and will find many great resources in Exploring Race in Society.